Delhi once again woke up to choking smog this morning. The National Capital Region is facing a triple challenge: the thick smog, the onset of winters, and poor air quality. The air quality index has crossed 400 in several areas this morning, while Delhi recorded an AQI of 357, putting it in the very poor category. East Delhi's Vivek Vihar recorded an AQI of 415. South Delhi's City Fort at 381. Air quality at Lodhi Road and IGI Airport is relatively less polluted as of this morning. Experts say the main reason for rising pollution is the drop in wind speed. The slow air movement allows dust and smoke particles to stay trapped close to the ground. Let's take you through some of those parameters and in terms of how poor the air quality index in some parts of Delhi is right now. Well, that's what you're seeing. Punjabi Bagh at 368, RK Puram 374, ITO 370, City Fort 381, Rohini 389. The worst impacted is Vivek Vihar. Like we said, it's because of the slow wind speeds, due to which there is a poor air quality, which is also rising. Okhla Phase 2 at 359, North Campus, Delhi University at 357, and then Lodhi Road at 334, IGI Airport relatively lower at 322, but still bad enough. Here's a ground report from Delhi on the poor air condition.
Despite the Delhi government's desperate attempts to tackle the air pollution crisis, there is no respite from this unhealthy air. As you can see the visuals right behind me, the Akshardham temple has been completely engulfed in this thick haze of smog. Visibility has been drastically reduced in this entire vicinity, and let me tell you that the air quality index has entered the severe category. It has hit the 400 level, not only here at Akshardham but also in other areas in the national capital like Anand Vihar, Lodhi colony, as per the Central Pollution Control Board data.